பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸ்ல கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, வீடியோ முழுசா பாருங்க. PGTRB Physics and GK Question and Answer Part 56. இந்த வீடியோ பார்க்குறவங்களுக்கு PGTRB Physics and GK Question and Answer இதை பார்க்குறவங்களுக்கு 100% ஜெயிக்கிறதுக்கு நிறைய வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. அதனால் இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் முழுசாக பாருங்கள்.
Question 1. When a radioactive nucleus emits a beta particle, the mass number of the atom, option A, decreases by 1. Option B, remains the same. Option C, decreases by 4. Option D, increases by 1. When a nucleus emits beta particle, the atomic number increases by 1 and mass number remains the same and electron also emits. So option A, option C and option D can be eliminated. Hence answer is option B, remains the same. X, Z, A emits beta particle. It changes to Z plus 1 y to the power of A plus minus 1 e power 0. So answer is B, remains the same. Question 2. The mass energy equivalent of 931 mega electron volt energy is option A, 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram, B, 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 kg, C, 6.02 into 10 power minus 24 kg, D, 6.02 into 10 power minus 27 kg. In this question, options P, C and D are wrong. Hence, option A, 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg is the correct answer. Given data, E equal to 931 mega electron volt, it is equivalent to 931 into 10 power 6 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. We know the formula for E is equal to mc square. Substitute the values of E and c square in the equation. We get the value of 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Question 3. 92 uranium-238 can be fissioned by option A, fast neutrons, option B, slow neutrons, option C, high energy ions, option D, high energy protons. High energy ions and high energy protons are not used for fission reactions. Hence, options C and D can be eliminated. In this case, uranium-92-235 is used for slow neutrons. So it is also wrong. So B option is also eliminated. Hence correct answer is option A, fast neutrons. Question 4. Which of the following is used as a moderator in nuclear reactor? Option A, plutonium, option B, cadmium, option C, uranium, option D, heavy water. Plutonium and uranium are used as nuclear sources for the reactor. Then cadmium rods are used to control the nuclear reactions. Hence options A, B and C are eliminated. Hence correct option is D, heavy water. Question 5. The average energy released per fission is option A, 200 mega electron volt, B, 200 electron volt, C, 200 milli electron volt, D, 200 giga electron volt. 200 electron volt and 200 milli electron volt are very low value, hence they are eliminated. Option D, 200 giga electron volt is very high value, hence it is also eliminated. Correct option is option A, 200 mega electron volt. Question 6. The average binding energy per nucleon of a nucleus in an atom is option A, 8 electron volt, B, 8 million electron volt, C, 8 joule, D, 15 mega electron volt. The average binding energy per nucleon of a nucleus is equal to total binding energy divided by number of nucleus. Mass number lies between 40 to 120 is always stable. Then the average value is equal to 8 mega electron volt. Hence, answer is option B, 8 mega electron volt. Question 7. Nuclear forces are stronger than option A, gravitational forces, B, magnetic forces, C, electrostatic forces, D, all of these forces. Gravitational forces, magnetic forces, electrostatic forces are weaker than nuclear forces. Hence, options A, B, C can be eliminated. D, all of these forces are correct. Question 8. If L represents the total angular momentum operator, then option A, L square equal to h cross square L into L plus 1. B, L square equal to h cross L into L plus 1. C, L square equal to square root of L into L plus 1 into h cross. D, L square equal to square root of L into L plus 1 h cross square. In this question, options B, C and D are incorrect. Therefore, they are eliminated. Hence, option A, L square equal to h cross square into L plus 1 is the correct answer. Question 9. Orthogonal functions are functions which are A, orthogonal, B, normalized, C, orthogonal and normalized, D, neither orthogonal nor normalized. In this question, options A, B and D are incorrect. Hence, option C, orthogonal and normalized is the correct answer. Question 10. The transition probability per unit time is option A, non-zero only between continuum states of energy. Option B, non-zero between states of same energy. C, 0 only between continuum states of same energy. D, 0 between states of same energy. Here, options B, C and D are incorrect. Hence, they can be eliminated. Therefore, option A, non-zero only between continuum states of same energy is the correct answer. Question 11. The relation delta x delta b is greater than or equal to h cross is option A, Hund's rule, option B, uncertainty principle, option C, probability condition, D, normalization condition. Hund's rule tells about how the electrons in an atom should be placed into degenerate orbitals. So it is eliminated. Option C, it is the probability of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. So it is also eliminated. Option D, in minus infinity to plus infinity, integral value of modulus value of psi xt to the power of square into dx is equal to 1. So it is also eliminated. Hence answer is option B, uncertainty principle. Question 12. In AC Josephson effect, the frequency of the oscillating current is option A, 2 eV by H, B, H divided by 2 eV, C, 2H divided by eV, D, eV divided by 2H. Options B, C and D are not matching. Hence, they can be eliminated. Option A, 2 eV by H is the correct answer. Question 13. Schrodinger's time-independent wave equation is option A, del square psi plus 2m into E minus V into psi divided by H cross square equal to 0. B, del square psi plus 2m into E plus V psi divided by H cross square equal to 0. C, minus H cross square del square divided by 2m plus V into psi equal to IH cross dou psi divided by dou t. D, minus H cross square del square divided by 2m minus V into psi equal to IH cross dou psi divided by dou t. In option B, E plus V is error. Then option C, it is time dependent wave equation. Option D, for time dependent equation, instead of plus V, minus V is given. Therefore, options B, C and D are wrong. Hence, option A, del square psi plus 2m e minus v psi divided by h cross square equal to 0 is the correct answer. Question 14. The expectation value of any quantity f when psi is normalized is option A. Expectation value of f equal to integral value of psi star f of b psi into dz. B. Expectation value of f equal to integral value of psi star psi into dz. C. Expectation value of f equal to integral value of psi star f of b psi into dz divided by integral value of psi star into psi dz. Option D. Expectation value of f equal to integral value of psi star f of b psi dz into integral value of psi star psi into dz. In this question, for the option B, function f is not given. In option C, is not normalized. Option D, it is not related to this question. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 15. The eigenvalues of harmonic oscillator are option A, n plus 3 by 2 into h cross omega. B. N plus 1 by 2 into h cross omega. C. N plus 1 into h cross omega. D. N minus 1 into h cross omega. In this question, option A, C and D are incorrect. Therefore, they can be eliminated. Hence, the correct answer is option B, n plus 1 by 2 into h cross omega. Question 16. The temperature above which ferromagnetic substance becomes paramagnetic is option A, critical temperature. B, temperature of inversion. C, Curie temperature. D, Boyle temperature. Critical temperature is the temperature which above a substance cannot exist as a liquid no matter how much pressure is applied. So it is eliminated. In option B, temperature of inversion is when the temperature of inversion occurs, cold air underlies warmer air at higher altitudes. It is also eliminated. In option D, Boyle temperature, the temperature at which the real or non-real gas behaves as an ideal gas over a wide range of pressure. Hence, the correct answer is option C, Curie temperature. Question 17. Which one of the following is not diamagnetic? Option A, antimony. B, bismuth. C, iron. D, copper. Antimony, bismuth and copper are diamagnetic substances. Therefore, they are eliminated. Hence, the correct option is C, iron. Question 18. J vector equal to minus ne square a vector divided by mc is option A, Maxwell's equation. Option B, London equation. C, Lorentz equation. D, Bloch's equation. Maxwell's equations are a set of coupled partial differential equations that together with Lorentz force law. So it is eliminated. Then option C, Lorentz equation means the orthogonal force on a charged particle traveling in a magnetic field F equal to Q into E plus V cross B. So it is also eliminated. For the option D, Bloch's equation means they are a set of macroscopic equations that are used to calculate the nuclear magnetization. Hence, they are eliminated. Therefore, correct option is B, London's equation. Question 19. For a metal, according to Weidmann-Franz law, option A, K divided by sigma T equal to L. B, Kt divided by sigma equal to L. C, K divided by sigma square T equal to L. Option D, K square divided by sigma T equal to L. Here, K, sigma, T and L represents thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, absolute temperature and a constant known as Lorentz number respectively. In this question, options B, C and D are incorrect. Therefore, they are eliminated. Hence, the correct option is A, K divided by sigma T equal to L. Question 20. Of the following, which is not ferromagnetic? A. O2, B. CO, C. Fe, D. Ni. Here, ferrous, nickel and cobalt are ferromagnetic substances. Hence, options B, C and D are eliminated. Therefore, correct option is A. Oxygen O2. Question 21. According to Debye's theory of specific heat at low temperatures, option A, Cv is proportional to 1 by T4. B, Cv is proportional to 1 divided by T cube. C, Cv is proportional to 1 by T square. D, Cv is proportional to T cube. According to Debye's theory of specific heat, at high temperature, the value of Cv equal to 3R. Then, according to the same theory of specific heat, at low temperature, Cv is proportional to T cube. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Cv is directly proportional to T cube. Question 22. Frank-Quantum principle is used in option A. Electronic spectroscopy, B. Microwave spectroscopy, C. Infrared spectroscopy, D. Raman spectroscopy. Microwave spectroscopy, infrared spectroscopy and Raman spectroscopy are incorrect. So options B, C and D are eliminated. Hence the correct answer is option A. Electronic spectroscopy. Question 23. Chemical shift is used in dash spectroscopy for structure determination of molecules. Option A, NQR, B, IR, C, NMR, D, ESR. In this question, option A, NQR, B, IR, D, ESR are incorrect. So they can be eliminated. Hence the correct option is C, nuclear magnetic resonance, NMR. Question 24. The selection rule for transition in rotational spectra is option A, delta J equal to plus or minus 2, B, delta J equal to plus or minus 1, C, delta J equal to 0, D, delta J is equal to 0 plus or minus 2. In this question, option A, C and D are incorrect. Therefore, they are eliminated. Hence, the correct option is B, delta J equal to plus or minus 1. Question 25. A linear molecule of N atom has dash vibrational degrees of freedom. Option A, 3n minus 5. B, 3n minus 6. C, 3n. D, 3n minus 4. Option B is correct for non-linear molecule. Hence, it is eliminated. Options C and D are not related to this question. Hence, they are eliminated. Therefore, the correct option is A, 3n minus 5 is the correct answer. Question 26. Which of the following is correct? Option A. The vibration rotation spectrum of a diatomic molecule will have both P and R branches, each consisting of equidistant lines of separation 2B. B. The vibration rotation spectrum of a diatomic molecule will have only P branches of lines. C. The vibration rotation spectrum of a diatomic molecule will have only branches of lines. D. The vibration rotation spectrum of a diatomic molecule will have unequally spaced lines. In this question, options B, C and D are incorrect. Hence, they are eliminated. Therefore, the correct option is answer A. Question 27. A particle of rest mass m0 moves with a velocity 0.6 c. What is the fractional change in mass? Option A 1 by 2, B 1 by 3, C 4 by 5, D 1 by 4. In this question, option A, B and D are incorrect. Therefore, option C, 4 by 5 is the correct answer. It is explained continuously. Given data V equal to 0.6c, we know the formula M equal to M naught divided by square root of 1 minus V square by C square. Substitute the value of V equal to 0.6c in the above equation. We get M naught divided by square root of 0.64. Simplifying, we get M naught equal to 8m divided by 10. It will be equal to 4 by 5m. Question 28. The correct relativistic relation between energy E, momentum P and mass m of a particle is option A, E equal to Pc plus m naught c square. B, E equal to Pc minus m naught c square. C, E square equal to B square C square plus m naught square C power 4. D, E equal to B square C square minus m naught square C power 4. In this question, options A, B and D are incorrect. Therefore, they are eliminated. Hence, the correct option is E square equal to P square C square plus m naught square C power 4. Question 29. Relativistic momentum of a body is option A, m naught v divided by square root of 1 minus v square by c square. B, m naught v square root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. C, m naught v. D, m naught v into 1 minus v square by c square. In this question, options B, C and D are incorrect. Therefore, they are eliminated. Hence, the correct option is A, m naught v divided by square root of 1 minus v square by c square.
Question 30. According to special theory of relativity dash, option A, only length is relative. Option B, only mass is relative. Option C, only time is relative. Option D, mass, length and time all are the relative.
In this question, option D is the correct one. Mass, length and time all are relative. Therefore, options A, B and C are eliminated.
Question 31. World Environment Day is observed on dash. Option A, June 5. Option B, July 10. Option C, December 8. Option D, March 8.
March 8 is celebrated as International Women's Day. So, it is eliminated. Options B and C are not related to this question. Hence, they are eliminated. Therefore, correct option is A, June 5th. Question 32. The first state in India to implement Panchayat Raj system was option A, Punjab, B, Rajasthan, C, Tamil Nadu, D, Gujarat. Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat are incorrect. So, they are eliminated. Hence, option B, Rajasthan is the correct answer. Question 33. What is the chemical name for baking soda? Option A, sodium carbonate. Option B, sodium bicarbonate. Option C, sodium nitrite. Option D, sodium nitrate. Option A, sodium carbonate represents washing soda. So, it is wrong. Then, option C and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. Therefore, the correct option is B, sodium bicarbonate.
Question 34. The vitamin which helps in clotting of the blood is dash. Option A, A. Option B, D. Option C, E. Option D, K.
Vitamin A helps to cure eye diseases. So, it is wrong. Then, option B, vitamin D is used for curing skin diseases. So, it is also wrong. eliminated. Then option C, vitamin E is used for stamina and energy. So options A, B and C are eliminated. Hence the correct option is D, vitamin K.
Question 35. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by dash. Option A, Shah Jahan. Option B, Jahangir. Option C, Aurangzeb. Option D, Akbar.
Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Akbar are incorrect. So options B, C and D are eliminated. Therefore, correct option is option A, Shah Jahan. Question 36. The next Olympic Games will be held at option A, London, B, Beijing, C, Sydney, D, Tokyo. 2012 Olympic was held at London. 2008 Olympic was held in Beijing. 2004 Olympic was held at Sydney. So options A, B and C are incorrect. Therefore option D, Tokyo is the correct answer. Question 37. On which river has the Hirakud Dam been built? Option A, Mahanadi. Option B, Godavari. Option C, Narmada. Option D, Ravi. Godavari is present in Andhra. Narmada river is present in Gujarat. Ravi river is present in Punjab. So options B, C and D can be eliminated. Hence Mahanadi is present in Odisha. So Hirakud Dam is present in Odisha. Mahanadi is correct answer. Question 38. Which of the following is volatile memory? Option A, brome. Option B, eBrome. Option C, static RAM. Option D, ROM. Brome, eProme and ROM are non-volatile memories. So options A, B and D are eliminated. Hence option C, static RAM is the correct answer. Question 39. Which article of the Constitution of India advocates free and compulsory school education? Option A, Article 354. Option B, Article 45. Option C, Article 30. Option D, Article 31. Article 354 represents distribution of revenues while a proclamation of emergencies in operation. Article 30 denotes rights of minorities initiate to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 31 denotes compulsory acquisition of property. Hence, they are eliminated. Therefore, correct option is B. Question 40. The agency which helps to improve the quality of school education at state level is option A, NCERT, option B, NCTE, option C, SCERT, option D, DTE. Options A and B are national level agencies, so they are eliminated. D denotes Directorate of Technical Education, so it is also eliminated. Hence the correct option is C, SCERT. Question 41. Which country is scheduled to conduct FIFA World Cup 2022? Option A, Germany. Option B, France. Option C, Portugal. Option D, Qatar. Qatar is scheduled to conduct FIFA World Cup 2022 from 21 November 2022 to 18 December 2022.
லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸ்ல கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.